Hi my dear students, today we are going to discuss a grade 10 third term paper. So I'm starting with the first one. Here find the common difference of this progression. Okay, uh, I have to find out the common difference of this progression. Wait a minute, I already explained to someone, that's why I'm erasing this one. Okay, now you see we know the word the common different. Common difference mean here we have to choose two terms but we can't select the first term. So now this is the when we are comparing these two, this one is the first term, this one is the second term. Okay, so I have to subtract I have to subtract I have to subtract I have to subtract -1 subtract 2. This 2 is normally a positive one. This is the minus negative one. I'm bracketing this one. Now we have to do the simplification. Now you see, actually we know deduction mean we have to change the second numbers symbol. So here -1, there are no any changes, and the subtraction should be changed into addition, and after that here this is positive 2 and we have to change into negative 2. This is the law. Now -1 plus -2, answer is -3. Or we can easily find out the common difference like this. Here you see 5 2 mean 2 is less than 5. So how many times, so how many digits, how much? So that is 3. So -3. Second one, simplify. So simplifying, here you see there are two operations. Here this operation is division and this operation is addition. We have to do the addition or subtraction first. So here addition 3, so I have to subtract 3 in both sides. That is Axiom's idea. I can cut down this plus 3 and -3, so x by 2. So x by 2, I'm writing here x by 2. X by 2, that's equal to 5 minus 3, 2, and I'm taking as a fraction here, so I'm just writing a 1 as a denominator. Now cross multiplication means we have to multiply this x and 1, and we have to multiply this 2 and 2. So x into 1, that is equal to x, so x is equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 2, that's 4. So I think that's also easy. So the third one, if the area of the triangle PQR is 45, so area of this triangle is 45. So find the value of h. Mean here you see they are giving 90 degrees here. So 90 degrees. So the formula for the area of a triangle is half into half into base into h. So h and here it should be 90, angle should be 90. So what is the base mean? What is the base mean? From where h is coming? From where h is coming? H is starting. So here only it's starting. So we are taking this one as h and this one as QR as the base. So QR 15, QR 15, and into height is h, that is equal to 45, that's equal to 45. So now you see I can change each and every one as fraction 1 and 1 and 1. Now it will be very easy, otherwise some students get some disappointment because they can't simplify this one. Now here you see 15 into h, 15h by 2, 15h by 2, and here we can simplify like this, 15 and 45, 15 and 45. When we are simplifying 15 mean that's one time, 45 mean 15, 30, 45, 3 times. Now it's very easy. Now 3h, okay, but we can't say 3h here, that is equation now. So in this side 1h, h by 2, that's equal to 3 by 1. Now cross multiplication, so h into 1, so h, that's equal to 6. So we have to mention the units, centimeters. Now it's also clear. Now let us move to the fourth question. So this is algebraic fractions. So here you see denominator should be equal, but actually here denominator is 12 and here denominator is 3, not equal. So we have to equal them. So the option is we can divide 12 by 4, but we can't divide here, that may be an issue, problem. So we are going to multiply 3. We have to multiply 3 by 4, okay, sorry, 3 into 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. When we are multiplying the denominator, always we have to multiply the numerator also. Now you see 4 into 3, 12, here also 12, so we can take the 12 as a common one, so 12. And now we will consider about this one, 4 into a, 4a, and here 1a, so 4a plus 1a, that's equal to 5a, so easily we can get the answer. This one is a very easy question. Mostly you can expect one question, this type of one question for exams. Now inequality, solve the inequality, okay, solving and write down the set positive integral values of x can be checked. First of all we'll solve. This is also like formula solving, but there are some other rules. Now here this is plus 5, so we have to add the minus 5, then only we can cut. When we are adding minus 5 here, this side also we have to add the minus 5. Now that's very easy. So now we can cut these both, and now the x and the same symbol, x is less than 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5, 3. X is equal and less than 3, so what are the numbers can be taken to the x? So we can take 3 comma and less than 3, 2 comma 1. So they are asking the positive, so these are the positive ones, these are. Now sixth one, 2 into 2 into 13 into 13, 676. Find the value of square root of 676. This is one of method. This is one of the method, the factors, using the prime factors, finding square roots using prime factors. Now you see, in this method we can we can write like this: square root of 676 is equal to the square root of these factors, square root of these factors. So now you know 2 into 2 square root mean same values, 2 into 2. So we can take a one set, so 2 into 13 13. So 13 13, here are two 13s, so here we can take a 113. So 13 into 2, that's equal to 26. That's equal to 26. So that is the answer. You can check from the calculators if you need. I think you get the idea. I'll give idea like this: square root of a into a, that's equal to a. So that is the idea. So here square root of 2 into 2 is equal to square root of 13 into 13 is equal to 13. So at last we have to multiply. Factorization, this is a very easiest question. So we know here we can't factorize. Factorizing means we have to show as a multiplication of two products. Sometimes it can be more than 2, but here we can't take any number or any letter by a common one, because here x, here also we can see x, but here there are no x, here there's only 1, so we can take only the 1, so it can't, so no use of that. Now I'm going to break into 4 parts and also the short method. So this is the part 1 paper. So I will explain the short method. Short method mean here we have to get the plus 48. So when we have to get the plus 48, what are the factors it can be? 1 into 48. Okay, so here 48 mean 1 into 48, and also we can expect some other more chances. So what are we can select? We can select 2 into 24, and the next one 3 into 1 6. Okay, 1 6. And what are the things? I think these are enough. Here you see we have to get 90. 16 plus 3 is 90. So that's set. Here this couple of sets. So here we can say x, here all are plus, no, plus. Here also we can take, for the both factorizations we can take x plus. Here this is x squared, so we are dividing 1x here and 1x here, and the factors we choose the 3 and 16 according to the rule, so both are plus 3 and plus 16. So these are the answers for this question. I think now it's also clear. Next, distance time graph of an object which is moving with uniform speed is given below. Find the speed. So wherever we can choose a point. I'll choose this one. So you see time is here, so 20 by 4, so 20 by 4, that's equal to 20 by 4, that's equal to 5, that's equal to 5. So easily we can get the answer. So we have to mention meter per second. Yeah, meters, I think, yeah, second. You can choose any number. Yeah, you see 5 by 1 or 5 over 1, 5. You can take this one, 10 over 2, that's also 5. That is called the uniform speed. Using the information given in the figure, find out the value of x. You have to find out the x. Here you see this one is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram we can use some theorems, allied angles and corresponding angles and alternate angles and all. And there is a isosceles triangle also. Here we know the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So here these two angles are equal, this angle and this angle, these two are equal. We have to find out the x. Now here you see, my dear, this one is 65 and I can find out this angle. This is like the light angles because these two are parallel. So here 65 mean here it's 115 because the sum of allied angles, okay, 180. Now here it is 115 mean I can find out this one easily. That's 65. Or I can take like this. I can take this like Z shape here. Here 65 mean here also 65. Okay, whatever the things you can use. So here 65 mean this angle also 65. This angle is also 65. Now 65, 130. So x is equal, totally you know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 65, that's 130. So the final answer is 50. So I think these are very clear. If you have any doubts, you can come on me. So I will upload another video for the remaining questions.